It's IBC 2024. We're on the Profuz Digital stand here in Hall 8, and I'm joined by Ivanka. Hi, Ivanka, how are you?
Hi, Simon. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Now, Ivanka, you've got a new update to your product, Profuz Lapis. For those that, before we discuss the update, just give us a quick overview of what the software does.
So Profuz Lapis is a platform which we introduced to IBC last year, 2023, for the first time on our own booth. And this is a management ecosystem where all media organizations can organize their data and business processes. So it's like a central hub where all departments and all staff of a company can exchange information and have an overview of what's going on within their organization.
Okay, so we've got a new update. So what's different in IBC 2024 now?
So the new things, we are like always being innovators, and we always try to be ahead of time and introduce the new technologies before others. So this year our focus is not only on the management tools but also on how all the new technologies can be incorporated in this. When I'm saying new technologies, I of course refer to artificial intelligence tools, and we are among the first to introduce multiple of those. We have the automatic speech-to-text and text-to-speech available for a few years already, but this year we have some new artificial intelligence tools like object detections in video and images. We have face recognition, we have OCRs and text extraction also from images, but available for videos as well. And we have also introduced a semantic search, which is like a contextual search, not based on properties or metadata assets have, but more like asking questions, and the system answers you and finds you the best answer to your question. So all these things we believe help a lot in the processes and can help humans perform their job quicker.
Yeah. And what type of people are using this software?
This software is targeted to companies, media organizations, in general, all type. Those can be broadcasters, but also can be other type of media organizations like studios, post-production studios, localization studios, everyone who has to deal with media, but also organize a lot of work between different departments and internal and external staff, let's say this way.
Okay.
So,
yeah. So before we move on, just for anyone wondering, what does the LAPIS stand for?
LAPIS, in fact, is an abbreviation from Limitless, Advanced, Powerful and Intelligent Systems. So this says a little bit about what is behind.
Cool.
So we try to give all the tools and unlimited possibilities to companies to organize their work in the best way.
Yeah, certainly sounds like it. What else are you talking to people about on the booth here at IBC?
Here, again, we are able to show to our clients and potential new clients our already known other product, which is called Subtitle Next. In fact, this is a subtitling, captioning, or let's say this way, time text related program, which has been used for years already. And this on this show we are showing the latest version where our users can also do audio description with within the same tool. So the new version of Subtitle Next is also available here for broadcasters, for freelancers, for localization studios or localization departments within broadcast organizations.
So everything you're showing here is available now?
It's already available. We have even launched officially these new versions just before the show. So it's available for seeing, but also for people to try. And we are also available for showing them after the show if they don't have time now and running between multiple booths.
Yeah.
But those are available.
Fantastic. And people that aren't at IBC, where can they find more information on the product range?
So our website is profuzdigital.com. So from there you can have links to product websites dedicated to both product lines, so
Okay.
they can find everything there, of course, on all social media channels, which are available from the website. It says
Cool.
links directly.
And you've got a client here on the booth that we're going to be chatting to in another video as well, so people should definitely look out for that one.
Yeah, we are really grateful to have one of our most experienced users, a very good professional within the subtitling industry, someone who believed in us in the very early stages and is growing with us. And we are happy to give the words to her, because this is a lady, in another video, and see what she tells about us.
Well, that's one to look out for. Ivanka, thank you very much indeed. Do check out that other video, which is a case study on how they're using the products here at Profuz Digital. Of course, check out their websites, and for everything else we're doing at IBC, that's at kitplus.com.